Here comes 56 car with the 8098 ES Evolution Series 4,400 horsepower alternate current Evo. One of the 22 Norfolk Southern Heritage units that made up Norfolk Southern. They have them for the original Norfolk Southern, the Southern, and the Norfolk Western. This is 56R, a loaded grain train for Gainesville, Georgia. 8098 Conrail Heritage unit. Furred out. Not waiting, furred out. Heavy. Fourth out. Maybe even fifth out. Yeah, fifth out. Whoa! 5 engines. Norfolk Southern covered hoppers. I did not expect to see 5 engines for a grain train that normally have about 3 or 4.